I want to start with one word: simplicity. Simplicity is at the heart of everything we do at Pure. We want to make your lives easier. At the heart of Pure Simplicity is the Evergreen architecture. It is designed to make it easy to constantly stay fresh and new. Think about it. What if you could buy a car that could update itself every year? Not just the maps or the apps, but the tires could become better. The engine could become faster. You can get more seats on demand, you could tow your boat, and your minivan over the weekend could become a sports car. What is the value of such a car? Instead of throwing it away every couple of years, how do you value something that is new every year? That is the magic of Evergreen. Evergreen is the foundation of the Pure Storage platform. You can add more seats and a faster engine without stopping the car. It breaks that legacy I'm sure you know of buying, replacing, repeating every couple of years. Our rapidly changing world needs Evergreen. The power of the Pure Storage platform with Evergreen at its heart is that it serves all of your data storage needs in one place without starting over every time or adding complexity. With a platform, you get leverage. You stand on the shoulders of your investments, and as every unanticipated new need arises, the Pure Storage platform makes it easy to keep up. So you're probably wondering, what is Pure going to do now? So I have some exciting news for you. Are you excited? I'm excited. First, let's start with building AI infrastructure. AI brings great innovation, but also a new level of complexity. To date, AI has been on an island, but now we want to make it possible to easily add AI to the enterprise infrastructure that you know and love in two ways. First, we are bringing Pure Simplicity to AI with NVIDIA DGX SuperPod certification. Expected by the end of 2024, you can run your training and your inference models on the same platform that you love. Second, we are announcing secure application workspaces. This combines containers and new secure multi-tenancy for your application owners who can get secure access to AI power without losing independence or control. So, this is the marriage of Kubernetes with Portworx and Purity that you've been waiting for. Now, this is not enough. We want to help you use AI to manage your own storage. And so I'm excited to announce the industry's first AI Copilot for managing a large fleet of storage. This is a radically new way of protecting and managing your data using natural language. This allows you to find needles in a haystack. You can fix performance issues that might take a long call into support. So why is this unique to Pure? Fundamentally, AI is a data challenge. It is only possible with a unified operating system and a unified control plane that generate hundreds of petabytes of clean metadata every year. This allows you to see the power of the Pure Storage platform, and now you can ask deep, sophisticated questions that are not possible from vendors that can only see one box at a time. I am so excited about this revolutionary way of managing storage using natural language. It takes a decent storage admin and helps him or her become good. And it makes a good storage admin amazing. It will be magic. This will be the next step in the promise of Pure Simplicity. You want to see a demo? All right, you're going to have to wait for Kaz to come on stage for that. So, we've talked about AI infrastructure, Copilot, and what else? We want you to get ready for what we believe is the biggest step forward in managing storage that we have ever seen. When we first introduced Purity, to illustrate how easy it is, we took the user guide and we thought we would put it on a single business card. Wrong card. There's the business card. We've asked, can you make it that simple and elegant as this business card for a large fleet? What if you could merge your appliances into a single storage pool? What if you could create an easy template once and enforce that across your entire environment? And here's the magic. What if you could do it for your existing fleet with data, not just new appliances? And so I am so excited to announce the next generation of Fusion. Fusion will automate storage with a single control plane. It will standardize and enforce policies across the global pool. And now it is available out of the box for all customers with just a simple update to the latest version of Purity. There will be no separate license or external server required. The Fusion automation engine will distribute to every array, and it will be fully backwards compatible and will not break any of your integrations. This will work across all protocols, transports, and products because Fusion will be fully embedded and aware of the entire fleet. If you make one change on an array, Fusion will automatically adjust the fleet. Let's compare this for a little bit. Compare this to legacy clustering. If you've deployed a cluster before, you know that clustering is rigid. It's not possible to create unless the arrays are empty and clean. Now you can link your existing arrays together with data into a magic car, into a magic fleet. It will feel like magic. We want to expand your vision from managing one appliance at a time to a true cloud of resources where the appliances are simply endpoints. Imagine, we'll illustrate this for a little bit. Changing storage for a database administrator. Let's imagine you want to change volume size, number of snapshots, replication policies. Because every array is aware of this, Fusion will take care of that complexity. It will automatically standardize and enforce. You set the policy once, and the platform will do the rest. This reduces time, the risk of human errors. It will automate change. So, we want you to help get ready for what is coming. In phase 1, available this year, you will be able to link arrays together and standardize and enforce across your fleet using this standardized template. This creates a foundation for you where you can build on top of that and automate in phase 2 data mobility between classes of arrays and tiers. That will happen at the beginning of next year. And then phase 3 will be the most exciting, where you can take business logic that might exist in a business owner's head, encapsulate it in a business policy, and then distribute that across your entire data infrastructure and govern risk. We are so excited about these 4 major steps forward in simplicity. You will be able to easily deploy AI infrastructure with the enterprise tools that you know and love. You will be able to connect your primary storage to AI power with secure application workspaces. You can find needles in a haystack with AI Copilot. And with a simple, non-disruptive update, the promise of Evergreen, you can create a single control plane for everyone. This is the power of the Pure Storage platform to help you keep up. It just keeps getting better. Now it's my pleasure to introduce our Vice President and General Manager of our Digital Experience Group, Prakash Darji, to talk about our innovation and services. Thank you so much.